Hi there, John Polson, Homes and Land by John. I am at a home that is going to be coming to market, and I just wanted to show you what a transformation staging, a professional staging company can do for a vacant home. This home is going to be coming to market, and you can absolutely see now that Staged to Sell has created a beautiful environment for this home. So this is a home that's going to be, again, it's coming to market, but it's professionally staged here. And wanted to share this because if you're looking to sell your home and you're looking to get best price for it, you're going to want to bring your home to market looking at its absolute best. So you want your home to show really, really well. One way to do that is to have your home professionally staged. So just consider the possibilities. If you want to learn more about what professional staging can do for you, my clients, what I do is I offer a professional staging consultation, and that's just part of what my services are. So if you want to learn more about that, click the Learn More button and let's talk a little bit more about it.